सबसे विराट जनतंत्र जंगल का आ पहुंचा, सबसे विराट जनतंत्र जंगल का आ पहुंचा। 33 कोटि हित सिंहासन तय करो, अभिषेक आज राजा का नहीं बल्कि प्रजा का है। 33 कोटि मुकुट इस जनता के सर धरो, इस जनता के सर धरो। Good morning, respected judges, teachers, and my fellow speakers. We have come a long way as a democratic civilization, and election has been a sustaining component for this land of diversity, for this land of unity in diversity, ladies and gentlemen. In this democracy of 1,650 different languages, where cricket is worshipped more than a religion, where films are celebrated more than festivals, 365 days of year, we breathe the air of politics. We stay in the breeze of communal violence, and we see the rains of political campaigning of Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, and the state election itself. But when I picture one nation, one election in my encephalon, I see the few elements that levitates me towards Viksit Bharat. We must shift our emphasis from the quantity of voting to the quality of voting process, so that we receive an accurate and an integrated amount of voting quantity from all over the nation at the same time. Simultaneously, we need to provide same engrossment to every administrative and governance issues in India, so that another election is not organized in the name of local conflict. Because it is not my city, your town, or our village. It is our whole nation, and unfortunately, ladies and gentlemen, poverty is even in the richest state of India, which is Maharashtra. Unemployment is even in IITs and IIMs. And women's safety? Women's safety is implicated in a state which is governed by a women chief minister itself. As a youth of this nation of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, I say in capital letters that with one nation, one election, we also need one code of conduct, one model code of conduct. Which means different levels of government, but one voting. Different types of campaigning, but one expenditure. Different types of citizens, but one intention. Today, when we surpass China in the number of population, ladies and gentlemen, we must be aware that back in 1967, 500 million of Indian population voted under one nation, one election. Lastly, I conclude by putting my own words in the lines written by Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee. I begin. चुनाव आएंगे जाएंगे, नीतियां बनेंगी बिगड़ेंगी, लेकिन मेरा ये विकसित भारत हमेशा विकसित होता रहना चाहिए। जगत गुरु बन जंजाल से इस दुनिया को सही मार्ग दिखाते रहना चाहिए।